Hello and welcome to this AM Language YouTube video. Make sure you like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. This is an IELTS testimonial video by one of our former students, Mariana, from Colombia. So Mariana's testimonial is as follows. First of all, I would like to express my satisfaction with the school from the first moment I arrived. I had previously studied at a school here in Malta. I was also working with a study agency. So I know quite a bit about the sector, and your school met my expectations from the first day. I was fortunate to receive a couple of weeks face-to-face lessons, and from the introduction, organising and commitment on the part of the administrative staff was seen. However, regarding my classes, IELTS preparation with the teacher Seema was the icing on the cake. The teacher always had the best attitude. She has a lot of knowledge and is generous in sharing it. She makes us feel comfortable in class. I feel that I improved significantly, and although I had to leave classes for work reasons, I still have to take my exam. So, best of luck to you, Mariana, in the future with your IELTS exam, and thank you for that lovely IELTS testimonial. So if you would like to prepare for IELTS with AM Language, make sure you click on the description below and click on our links that can take you to our website and specifically our IELTS page as well. So prepare for IELTS with us and learn English in Malta with us. And thanks for watching.